Hello there everyone and welcome to another video with Hypnotherapy Training International. And today's topic is about clinical hypnotherapy and advanced analytical hypnotherapy. What is the difference and what may the advanced analytical hypnotherapy course give a clinical hypnotherapist? So John, if you can please explain us a little bit about the difference and when advanced analytical hypnotherapy may come handy to the therapist.
Advanced analytical hypnotherapy, by the nature of the name, tells us it's a more advanced level of training, a higher level. And this allows the student to gain more advanced knowledge and methods, and it covers a great deal of really important topics, which all enable the therapist to become more effective, making the very best therapeutic choices with clients. It allows the therapist to work with clients with different issues, other issues that they haven't dealt with before, and allows them to deal with clients who have more complex and deeper problems. It goes into much more depth with the problems that people bring, those problems that may emerge and deeper emotional conflicts that emerge during the discussions in hypnotherapy. Even in the very beginning in the interview with some people, material starts to come out, and how the therapist can understand that and begin to work with it is very important, as well as all that complex material that may emerge in hypnoanalysis. So, dealing with the problems more intensively, more effectively, in other words, becoming a better therapist in so many ways. In this course, there's a great deal of dealing with the readiness and motivation and commitment to change within clients, because that's what makes change happen when the client begins to commit. And that requires the therapist to really have the knowledge then and abilities to go with that, to work with that commitment, stimulate it further, help them get over any sabotaging inhibitions, negative fixed ideas and so on. And so it is a really in-depth therapy. It's not simply an intellectual band-aid on the problems. It's very much or any kind of superficial approach to therapy. It's very deep, it's very profound. It's an integrated, client-centered approach that's holistic, and it uses many things many methods that have come out of hypnotherapy, including Gestalt, cognitive methods, behavior methods, and so on. And so these are all, of course, branches of hypnotherapy, as all of psychoanalysis emerged out of Freud's work with hypnosis. And of course, Pearl's work with hypnosis was foundational in creating Gestalt. A lot of psychotherapists don't understand or know much about that. So we have all of that to learn and use in hypnotherapy, and this enables therapists then to become highly effective. They're also learning Gil Boyne's transforming therapy, which was his approach to analytical hypnotherapy. And that's been developed now and continues to evolve over the years. This course, Analytical Hypnotherapy, the Advanced Analytical Hypnotherapy, deals a lot with people's purpose and direction in life. It's very important, valuable for a therapist. There's a lot about the self-discovery, who we are, what our potential really is. There's a lot about the life transitions, the tasks of each stages of life that tends to be fairly universal in human nature. Life crises or transitions, the life journey, the life cycle. It is enabling the therapists themselves to develop the core traits. Carl Rogers originally outlined 3 core traits of the effective therapist. That was expanded upon based on much research in psychology. And again, many psychotherapists don't learn about this, but it was discovered and developed over the years that there was about 10 core traits, and I'm sure there may be more yet to discover, and therapists need to be aware of these. Carl Rogers later agreed that those 10 core traits, as outlined by Rothstein and others, that was very important. So all of this then, this training is going to help the person become a more effective, successful therapist with each client, and then that generates more referrals, more success in developing your clinical practice, the business side as well as the therapeutic side. It's important to say that it's all based now on my study, experience, and knowledge in hypnotherapy, psychology, psychotherapy that I've accumulated in over 40 years of clinical practice and over 30 years as a hypnotherapy instructor. This is truly a next level analytical hypnotherapy. So thank you very much for listening and watching.